don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the drop list for Supreme Week 18. I don't know if you're on 18 or 17 to be honest, but I do know that this week is a decent week. There's one item that I feel like is a banger this week and a lot of people have been waiting for, and I actually am gonna try to go for it. Hopefully it's not too expensive though, because if it is, I'm gonna have to pass. But if y'all do end up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. You already know, bro. Subscribe to the channel. It definitely does mean a lot when y'all come back and show love. I'm gonna start pumping content back out. I feel like I've been posting every 2 days, and that's kind of the rhythm that I want to have. I want to post at least 3 to 4 times a week. I feel like that's pretty solid. Even once Supreme is done, I'm gonna start doing more sneaker content on the channel, which I have been doing, and a lot of people haven't been watching it, to be honest, but it is what it is. I do enjoy making sneaker videos, and I feel like I'm gonna keep doing that. If y'all are interested in checking out my previous videos, go ahead and click that up there. I showed y'all how to find eBay sneaker steals. I feel like I've had my fair share of finding good deals on eBay, and I want to share some tips with y'all, so go ahead and check that out. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the drop list. It's actually week 19. I thought it was like 17 or 18, my bad, but week 19 drop list for July 1st. As y'all can see, US only. Yo, EU be getting smacked with the US only releases. We're gonna start from the dookie of the week. Apparently this Butthole surfer shit, a lot of people aren't really liking that much. This right here is a little I would not wear that shit on a shirt, bro. They're wilding on that one. But this one is gonna retail at $42. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about the collaboration. I'll give you my full opinion after I see all the pieces. I've briefly seen them, but this Liberty lace short sleeve shirt, I low-key kind of like it. I feel like it's pretty different. I like the fact that it does have the Statue of Liberty on it, and it's almost like in this different type of, I don't know what the hell is going on, but it's different, bro. Definitely is different. You got the Statue of Liberty wearing the Supreme on the brim right there. You got the Empire State Building saying Supreme on the side as well. I think it's creative. It's something different that Supreme low-key has been lacking lately. Hey, I appreciate it, but not everybody does. That's actually not a bad piece in black, but I'm personally gonna skip on it. We do got the Butthole Surfers short sleeve shirt. This one's gonna come in 3 different colorways, and I don't know what is going on, bro. Like, dead ass, what is actually going on this piece? I don't know. Let me know if y'all gonna be copping any of these. Homie got a little one, if you know what I'm saying, but hey, we gonna get the fuck up out of here. This one has 470 dislikes, and it's gonna retail at $128. So bro, there's 128 other things you could do with that would just be better off, low-key. We got the Butthole tee or the leg tee right here. This one basically says boom bang right there with the Supreme next to it. I don't want to keep saying it. We do got this one in 5 different colorways. I believe that all 5 colors are whatever, to be honest. I'm not gonna go for either one of these. I kind of like the color of the lime one, even though I wouldn't wear that one. That shit is ass, bro. Like, let's be so realistic real quick. We got the same shit that was on that button up, but on this tee. This basically has Lil Wayne Man right here with the Butthole Surfers all across the back. This is ass, bro. Like, low-key, they should have just scrapped this shit. Like, it don't even look appealing. We do got this monogram S logo hat, which is kind of fire. It gives me like luxury designer brand type hat vibes, Gucci type style. Maybe I'm just tripping. I do kind of like this hat though, and that red colorway is kind of fire. Cream fire as well. I feel like that cream should have been the color they used for the Vans. If you guys remember, the Vans collab kind of had the same shit on it, if I'm not mistaken. But this hat is kind of fire, retailing at $48. I feel like resell will not be there for any of this shit. We got the Sidekick Tee from the BH collab. Let's see what's up with this one, bro. What is going on? Like, what is actually going on though? I feel like this is probably one of the better pieces that they're doing in the collab, simply because it doesn't have a glizzy in it. Like, it's not no weird shit. It is some weird shit, but it's not like some over the top shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is not that bad though, and that black color is decent. It is what it is. Personally, I'd probably skip on this one though, I'm not gonna lie. We got the Jacquard PK Camp Cap retailing at $54. This one's actually not that bad. I like the fact that it does have the Supreme on the side rather than on the front. It is simple, and that tan colorway is fire. That minty green color is beautiful as well, but I honestly don't need this style of hat. Like, I want to go ahead and start buying more fitteds, and I feel like that's something that I'm gonna get more into as time progresses. I low-key want to get away from wearing camp caps as much because the way that it makes my head look, I don't know. I low-key gotta wear it floating on my head, one of these fleece type vibes. But yeah, I need to buy more fitteds. Let me know where you guys buy fitteds down below. I know Cap USA Harlem be sold out, but they be having some heat, bro. But this twill crusher right here, it's whatever, bro. Like, that's not my cup of tea. I feel like this is something my sister would wear low-key. Hurricane water shorts, these do come in 3 different colorways. Personally, I do like the purple. The orange is kind of cool as well, but I think I would end up sleeping on these water shorts. I'm gonna wait for a banger pair of shorts, then I'll end up buying them. Low-key, I do want to have a couple Supreme swimming trunks, and the ones I have now fit me big as hell, so I do need a new pair. We do got the hooded sweatshirt. This one's probably gonna be crazy. I want to go ahead and see this in detail. You basically got 2 clowns playing with a dog. One of them is balancing like this tree on his nose, and that is the back though, so that is kind of cool that they did a smaller graphic on the front. This olive colorway is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. Just the actual color of the piece is nice. I don't know how I feel about the clown shit though. Like, nah, we good on the clownery, bro. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for any of the Butthole Surfers collaboration. I feel like all of it is kind of just, I'm not gonna say it's mediocre because it's just weak, bro. It is kind of mediocre. This shit is ass. This shit is ass, bro. Like, let's just call a spade a spade. I'm good on all that shit. This Panther keychain right here almost gives me like Ed Hardy vibes. Cool keychain. A lot of people do actually collect them. I think it's not bad, but I'm not gonna be really picking that up. It's something I would add to a cart rather than just buy by itself. We do got the hearts top, which I actually do want to see this one. It seems really intriguing. This one basically just has Supreme hidden in the mist around the front lower part of the actual thing. Here you can see it. It has it a couple times spread out around there. Then it says Paris in between the hearts as well. I don't know if it says anything besides Paris. Actually, I think it just says Paris and Supreme on it. This piece would be cool had it been like a $40 tee, but for $88, they smoking tip on that one. We got the precision crew neck, which is gonna come in 5 different colorways as well. $134 is the retail for this piece, and personally, I've seen this shit on so many drop lists that I don't even care about it no more. Like, I never did in the first place, but now it's just like, bro, get that up out of here. Like, it's about that time. We got the shine pin, which low-key they should just be adding for free. I got a gripe with Supreme. Y'all gonna be seeing in a video soon. What happened to Supreme giving stick? Like, I'm not even, never mind. We gonna talk about that later. This shine pin right here is alright. They should just be throwing this shits for free. I don't know what's going on with Supreme. We do got the Whammo Savior Frisbee. A Frisbee from Supreme would be hard. Like, this is actually fire. Personally, I might end up going for it. I don't want to spend too much money this week, so I'm probably just gonna end up going for the Frisbee or the next piece that I'm gonna be talking about, which is the Nerf Rival Takedown Blaster. I don't think that it's gonna be a set of 2. You're gonna have to choose a color. This is a US exclusive, so that kind of does suck for EU boys who have been waiting for this item. I do know that a lot of people actually have been waiting for this item, and I feel like resale might be there. This is kind of like a summer vibes piece. Like, let's have a water gun, let's have a Nerf battle type vibes, and I kind of do like it. I just hope that retail isn't too high. Gonna go ahead and pull the actual Nerf gun up and see what's up with it. Let's go ahead and see how much one of these goes for. So the original Nerf gun, basically the model that Supreme is using, goes for $20 without the Supreme branding. So I want to see how much more expensive are they gonna make it. You can't charge too much. Like, it has to be like $34, $38, something around that price point, which I feel like is a decent price for it, and it's a price that I would personally pay for it max type shit. Like, if it's over 50, that's a dub for me. But this is clean. If I go for it, I'd probably just go for that minty green with the blue. I do love the tones on that one, so I probably would end up going for it. And I feel like resale, it's kind of tricky, bro. There's probably gonna be at least $20, $30 profit on this piece, and as time goes on, this is one of those items that will go up. Mark my word. This is one of the pieces like the water gun that Supreme drops that in the future that people are like, damn, yo, I remember that shit. That would kind of be fun to use. Boom, go ahead and buy that shit, and now it's worth mad money. I feel like this is clean though. Both the pieces that you can actually play with are the items that I'm going for this week. The Frisbee is fire, the Nerf gun is fire, everything else is low-key kind of mediocre. The water shorts are cool, but it's nothing too special. That crusher is whatever. I kind of do like this hat though, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I actually am a fan in that black color, or even the red. I feel like a lot of people think that this is like a loud piece or whatever. Personally, I feel like if you wear it with, like, let's say a black shirt and then you have the black and white hat, it'll look fire, bro. Everything else is ass. The collab is just basura, bro. Like, this shit is ass. Weak. Like, weak. Shit is weak. Come, like, bro, who's trying to wear this shit, bro? My man's got a jock strap on. Like, nobody, bro, nobody. We got the Liberty lace shit, which was I kind of do like the Liberty lace piece. This hat is fire. Water shorts are decent. This Hearts top, not for that price, bro. They are wildin' with the price. Like, what are you doing? And then this precision shit been out for too many times. And the two bangers, bro, like the frisbee and the Nerf gun. That's really what you need to focus on for this week. If you're trying to make any money, I would honestly just say focus on these two items, hold them off. Maybe by next summer these will actually be worth good money. Next spring, summertime, when people start playing with shit again and these are already like in the past, these will do good, trust me on that. But low-key, that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what y'all thought in the comments below. What's your favorite item that's releasing this week? Are you actually going for the collab? Bruh, shit is weak, let's be honest. We do got a bunch of heat releasing and I do want to go ahead and talk about other stuff as well. So let me know in the comments what kind of hype news videos you would like to see, whether it's mainly based on sneakers and then streetwear fashion sprinkled in there, half and half, or more streetwear, a little bit of sneakers. Let me know what you would like in the comments below. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you, bruh, look at the sub count. Come on, look at the sub count. Subscribe to the channel. What are you doing, man? Join the fam. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the comments. I'm about to start going hard, trust me, bro. I'm about to really go hard with this YouTube shit. I'm feeling low-key kind of inspired and I want to rub that off to you guys. So without any further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.